about this. This is where the entrance is, which is great, except that it's too high. It's too steep. So what I think I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna bring it this way, and we're gonna bring a nice we're gonna make a nice sideways entrance from there. So it's gonna come down this way and all the way down this way and into the street. And in here we're going to level this up to park the boat. So everything needs to be moved up to level it up. Probably from here on we're gonna level. So from here, it's gonna be where the parking spot is, and then this we're gonna bring it down this way and into the bottom. The idea is to have a garage down there. We've already done quite a bit of work clearing all this out, and we need to get rid of all those trees all the way to the lake. We're in November 10th or so, and here we go. Hopefully it works out. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we need to put that boat, bring it down, and park it right there. So we're gonna make a flat spot right there for the boat to be parked. All here, this part's gonna be all flat. Gotta move all that wood down, all this flat. Later on, we gotta remove those trees all the way to the river. Not quite what we wanted, but at least we got the flat part on the bottom. We parked the boat up on top, and now we gotta continue removing some trees and flattening it out, and we're gonna plant clover in the spring.